Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, my name is Brittany. Thank you so much for watching today's video. As you guys saw by the title of today's video, it is going to be a get ready with me last day of the year, New Year's type of video. And I have a special guest. This is Zeusy. He is like a nice new puppy. So sweet, and so he's sitting in the sink beside me. I'm actually going to a friend's birthday party today. It's her birthday today, so hey Kia, happy birthday. And then around 11 I'm just gonna come back home because I want to spend it with this little guy and Nick, so I'm super excited. So we're just gonna do a very light glam today, nothing crazy. Then I just set everything. I set everything. Okay. So then as I'm letting this dry, I'm just gonna go ahead and start my hair.
calls and you can't call him once, you don't be so proud.
They're up to the best part. We watched Guess Who.
Guess Who?
Yeah, the movie Ashton Kutcher and Brittany.
Oh, the spy. Is it like that spy movie?
No, the one where she brings home the white boy.
Yeah.
All right.
That's Bernie Mac in it, right?
Yeah, Bernie Mac.
Yeah.
What did I say? Bernie? I said Bernie Mac.
Did you say that earlier?
Yeah. So Zeus says Happy New Year's. Good morning. So it's the next day, and we're taking down all of the Christmas decor today.
Hey.
We're taking down all the Christmas decorations, cleaning up a bit because Nick and I are both here. So we're gonna do that today. You wanna say hi, Zeus? Nope. Zeus? Zeus?
Zeus has got his own agenda today?
Yeah, he has his own agenda today. Until next year, my friends. So I'm gonna do a mini haul. Got some stuff from Amazon. Oh, oh, what? So I bought one spray bottle.
Yeah. And? How much was it?
$10.
Oh, I guess hell of a deal.
Wait, I thought I just bought one. I'm so confused. Well, that's a steal, if you ask me.
Because we'll actually end up probably using it.
Yeah, I use them to clean all my shoes. Okay, well, I thought this is gonna be a little bit longer, but nope. Just made some delicious cookies.
Yes, all right, listen.
Yep, puppy
I
is
might still be
sleeping.
feeling a little resentment, but that's
And we are watching
embarrassing and
Modern
petty.
Fam. Currently in the process of cleaning everything. So I'm gonna start with the kitchen. Nick is actually vacuuming the living room. And yeah, 10 o'clock at night. What else do you do? Do a quick before and after of the rug area. It's literally night and day. Oh, please, my chop, please. My camera died, but the house is clean. The rug is clean. Zeus is pooping outside and peeing outside. And I'm gonna end the vlog out here. So thanks guys for, oh, we need to take that trash out.
Got it. I'll do
Thanks
that
guys
right
for
now.
hanging out with me on New Year's. Deep clean, fresh, sharp. We gotta like sage now.
You're right.
Sage. Well, I feel like you can only do that when it's clean. You can't like sage a dirty house. That makes no sense. All right, bye guys.